What's happening, guys? It's Hunter. Thanks for checking in today. Brian and I are here at the Dealworm Project. We're installing some, I'm going to call them fake faux beams or whatever, but it's a 3-piece beam, so it's going to be hollowed in the center. But I'm going to bring you guys in, and I'm going to show you what it takes for us to get these 3 pieces done. So 3 are done. We got 1 more to go. Come on over here real quick, guys. We got 1 piece nailed up to the ceiling. We've already found the studs, liquid nailed, glued it up there. So our cleaning for this is already up there installed. It's been up there for about 2 hours, so the glue should be pretty good, should be pretty tacky. This is just gonna show you guys what it takes for Brian and I to get the last one done, just so you get an idea. I'm gonna be up on the scaffolding. Remember, 3 pieces, 1 by 10 down the side and a 1 by 8 on the bottom to finish. So hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, guys, and hammer that like button. Good to see you. Thanks for checking in. Let's do it. All right, Bri. Dude, good cuts. Measured it out. Brian cut all the angles for us. Good job on the cuts today, man. Hey, what do you guys think? Leave us a comment. Got those 4 beams over there. We had those beams over in the dining room. Look, we got a stained mantle over there, but Brian and I are gonna be back tomorrow to start the rail. Not sure if we're gonna get a little video on that or not, but I just wanted you guys to come in today and see what we were finishing up. But for now,
We're out of here.
we're out of here. Later, guys. Have a good one.